Hey friends, we just completed repair on the tractor here. Had to replace the SCV valve, repair some seals on it. Chris will talk about it later. And we had to put a new cover on. Cover broke when he put it back together the first time. Very first time that piston hit that cover, boom. Anyway, we're all back together and working. So you can see the hydraulics are working. Look at that.